Welcome on board and join me on this compilation of nighttime landing and arrival at Bangalore's Kempagoda International Airport. We are on the final descent to the Bangalore Kempagoda International Airport. We are coming in from the east side and will land on the runway, keeping in parallel with the National Highway NH44 to Hyderabad, and we will take an exit from that normally. That's right, landing from the east side, and we take an exit from this to reach the airport, which is situated in Devanahalli. That's the airport highway, and shortly you will see the exit coming up, and that's the airport exit which normally people take to reach the airport when you come in from Hyderabad. Now there is an alternative way to reach the airport as well from the Whitefield side. You can see the traffic clearly in the night, a clear night. Just landed, and we see Air India Boeing 7878 Dreamliner going for takeoff from the same runway that we landed. Beautiful view of the apron at the Kempagoda International and Parked Aircraft. That's the Air Asia aircrafts, two of them you saw. We are at our parking slot at the airport, not an Aerobridge one, so we need to use the ground transportation. And the cargo hold operations begin with the cargo hold opens and the cargo carrier truck coming in to pick up our cargoes. Outside the aircraft, and we will take the ground transportation. Indigo has a very nice stairways winding down rather than a straight staircase. Very nice. We take the ground transportation and go onto the terminal, and being night time, it's a very scenic and spectacular ride to the airport terminal. We are on the ground transportation moving towards the terminal building, Terminal 1. There we can see an Emirates Boeing 777-200 going towards takeoff to Dubai. And we are on the road that leads us to the terminal. You can see the terminal on the right now, and that's the cargo hold, and we are approaching the terminal building. The Terminal 2 is being constructed now, and the second runway is in operation now from December 2019, but this was taken before that, so we landed on the one-way runway. That's the main terminal. We will now travel under the aero bridges with the terminal building on our right, and the aircrafts docked at the aero bridges onto our left. There you can see the aircrafts and the arm of this aero bridge is protruding from the terminal building and the walk path. That's another Air India. It's a Airbus A320. And we go all the way to the end, take a U-turn and come back with the terminal building onto the left. Now the aero bridges and the arms and the parked aircraft are on our right. So we get down from the terminal building up onto the baggage claim area. The arrival departure display board. Many aircrafts: Indigo, Jet, Etihad, AirAsia, Thai. It's late in the night, so International Airways started coming. Subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much for watching and see you soon again, guys. Stay safe.